Ravetta.
Huh?
Hello.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is my Nonna.
Nonna Maria.
This is my Nonna Maria. Say hello.
Hello.
Today what are we making?
We make a chicken cutlet.
Chicken cutlet.
Chicken, that's too thick.
Too thick. Right now we're cutting the chicken in half. Well, she is. Also we have our nice aprons on. Model Nonna. Pose. What's your favorite thing to cook, Nonna?
Anything.
Anything.
Anything. That's my life. You do the lemon.
Okay, what am I doing with the lemon?
You're gonna squeeze the lemon. About two.
Two?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can squeeze.
Can I leave the seeds in or
Here.
So I'm squeezing the lemon into the bowl.
Here. You can use this.
I'm doing it wrong.
You can use this one.
I'm getting seeds in it. Is that okay?
Huh?
Is that okay to get the seeds?
Seeds?
Yeah.
You take it from.
Okay. So we're squeezing the lemons over here. Nonna's cutting the chicken over there. Nonna, who's your favorite chef?
My favorite chef?
Yeah.
Watch Lydia a lot.
Lydia, you hear that?
Yeah. Lydia.
Yeah, she's good.
Bastiani?
Yeah, she's good at.
Yeah. She's like me. I didn't measure nothing.
No measurements, all by eye.
Yeah.
That's how the Nonnas do it, huh?
That's right.
Trying to get a recipe from Nonnas?
You can.
Impossible.
Yeah. Because I didn't measure things. Why are you laughing? Okay, we put salt.
But we don't measure it, we just put it.
You know me.
Also, I'm my Nonna's favorite grandkid.
Yeah.
Yeah, she said yeah.
All the same. The grandkids are all the same.
All the same.
All the same. I love you, everyone the same.
But me more, a little bit more.
All the same.
Okay, so she put pepper too. She didn't say it, but she put pepper.
I put some salt and the black pepper. That's oregano. I usually like that.
That's oregano?
Because I like fresh. And I like the one that...
She doesn't like the one already shaking. So we're straining the lemon juice. Get all the seeds out. One fell in.
It's okay.
It's okay, it has a little bit of
Just
flavor. Now what?
Now, you put all together, mix all the ingredients, the oregano, lemon, and salt, black pepper. Now you get 2 eggs, mold the chicken on one side.
Yeah. Oh, my head's cut off.
Break the 2 eggs.
Ah.
And then you do this.
You do this.
How you say it?
You whisk it. You whisk.
The cut?
Like a cat's whiskers, yeah.
Okay.
What, you ever done a YouTube video? No? This is gonna be shown all around the world.
Oh God, no.
Why?
Why?
Say hi, Italy! Say ciao!
Ciao. When you're ready, you just pick it up.
Just pick it up. So she's breading the chicken. So what's in the breadcrumbs?
In the breadcrumbs, you put cheese and
Parmesan?
Parmesan cheese and a little bit of parsley, just a
Just a
little.
little bit of parsley.
Okay, can you
Okay,
get
a plate?
and put it in here?
Just put it on the plate. Is Lydia your inspiration for today?
Lydia?
Lydia.
Lydia? I didn't see Lydia today.
Oh.
But for some time, right now, they do the old show. Those new
What the
ones.
heck?
Yeah.
She's not making new ones?
Not right now, but...
Come on, Lydia. Step the game up.
Just to fry?
I think so.
No Parmesan?
Okay, we can do Parmigianna. I never make
You
Parmigianna.
never make?
No.
After fry, just to put sauce, cheese.
Yeah? So are we going to start cutting the cheese?
No, Parmesan cheese. After you cut it.
Do you know what cutting the cheese means?
What do you mean?
It means
Come on, What are you gonna do with that?
What?
The video.
They'll ask for you to be in my next video.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Who?
All my friends.
Why ask you to
Why
do
for
it?
you? Because you're interesting. That's why.
I'm interesting.
Yeah. Now we breaded all the cutlets. We're gonna turn the pan on now. Okay, so we're using vegetable oil.
That's a vegetable oil. Coconut oil, you can use it.
You can use anything, but we're using vegetable oil. Don't touch it because it's hot. Right, Nonna?
Huh?
Don't touch it.
No.
Make sure you get an adult to do this part. So we're gonna put a plate with paper towel so that after we fry the cutlets, we'll put it on there during the oil. Right, Nonna?
Yeah. Okay, you put some the bread. See if this is. See if the oil is ready.
So you put some breadcrumbs and if it bubbles, then the oil's ready. Right?
Right. Now after you can see if it is already done, but you can be a little bit.
You wait for it to get golden brown. Right? Nonna, tell him I'm your favorite grandkid.
What?
Tell him I'm your favorite grandkid.
No, I am. Nonna, you just told me yesterday.
No, she lied.
No.
Yeah.
Nonna, you remember when you told me yesterday?
No, all the same.
No, remember when you told me my whole life?
Yeah. First thing I put this one on the oil.
She loves using the filters on Snapchat. And
No, don't do this.
look, smile.
Don't do it.
So this is the part where you taste the chicken.
okay.
Ew. Just kidding. It's good. No, look, now we're doing a mukbang. When you eat on camera.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's an eating show. Tell them, give the video a thumbs up right now.
Like what?
So give a thumbs up. How is it?
Good.
Good. Good. We'll be back when the cutlets are all fried. We're using homemade tomato sauce. So now, we're gonna put the chicken into the pan with the sauce on the bottom. And now what? And now I keep putting more. I coat the bottom with chicken. Like that.
Now put sauce again. Not too much. Just cover.
Like a little bit.
It's okay. Now we put some cheese.
So here we have Parmesan petals from grande cheese.
Ito na vertais from grande cheese. Just take it.
I know, but it's chunk.
Look.
Oh, make it rain.
Okay, that's it. Now,
Ta-da! And now we put another layer.
now another layer.
Too much sauce.
No, it's okay.
Good.
Okay. And then now put cheese.
And now we make it rain again.
Okay, this is done.
Okay, show them.
Now we put in the oven. Okay, we put in the oven 375 for half an hour because already cooked.
So just to melt the cheese?
Huh?
Just to melt the cheese?
Smell the cheese. Just to melt the cheese.
Yeah.
In the meantime, we eat this way.
And now, a little mini
Now, tutta tavola a mangiare. Mangiare.
Teach me how to say that.
Tutta tavola
Tutta tavola
a mangiare.
a mangiare.
To taste the chicken.
Is that what that means?
Yeah, what's that? No, that means it's a tavola a mangiare. Everybody says
Cheers.
Cheers.
Bene.
Bene. Why are you laughing? Why?
Because you're so funny.
I am funny. Why?
Because why are you so serious? It was between you and Sal, and they chose you.
Between me
And Sal.
Sal.
Yeah. They wanted to see you more than him.
What do you mean?
They picked you over him.
Who?
All my friends.
On your makeup?
Mhm.
Yeah. What you cook too?
No, just I was gonna do his makeup. When you go out, what do you wear for makeup?
A brush. A bed brush. That's it.
I'll do your whole face.
When, no.
Yeah?
Whole face.
Yeah, because if they want it, you have to do it.
Oh. Who's there? I don't know who they are. Who they are?
Everybody.
I don't know everybody, your friends. Everyone.
Yeah, well, they all know you.
Okay, now we put the Parmigiana out of the oven. Look.
We put a little bit of mozzarella on top to make it more cheesy.
Chicken Parmesan.
Oh, it smells yummy.
You're not in the video. Okay, Nonna.
Chicken Parmesan. We put out what's it? The oven. Okay, good.
So that's the end of our video together. We made chicken parmesan.
And Claudia cooked with Nonna Maria.
Thanks for coming on my channel, Nonna. Mwah. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Tell them to subscribe.
Okay.
Say subscribe.
What's the
Say subscribe.
subscribe? What's that?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Okay, we're done with zucchini.
Subscribe down below. Like the video. Comment and tell us you want to do. Oh, we also
We
made
made zucchini flour with mozzarella inside
mozzarella.
and pastella, and we fry.
And we fried it. Yep. So dinner is ready.
Dinner's ready. Come over, we eat.
Come over, we. Don't forget to subscribe and follow Nonna Maria on Instagram. Say ciao.
Ciao.
Look at the camera and say ciao.
Ciao.
She wants the spotlight.